Hey guys, just a quick video on Enchanting and how frequently something appears when you reroll. I got this idea from a conversation I had with a Discord user called Yofu. Um, Both them and I decided to run this experiment separately on the PTR, and I used this amulet right here to track how frequently all of these options that is shown here appeared when I rerolled. In order to do this accurately, we decided that 1000 data points would suffice. Obviously, there can still be statistical variance and such, but it gives us a pretty decent idea of how frequently different options will appear. Our data was very similar. The data here on the left is mine, and the data here on the right is Yofu's. What we noticed was that you get passives about 1% of the time. So, for example, for rogues, you can get exploit, malice, all of those good stuff about 1% of the time every time you reroll. Meanwhile, other affixes, such as maximum life, appears roughly 44% of the time, so enchanting is clearly weighted. Now, what does that mean for the average player? Well, for example, the exploit passive is a really good choice for rogues. This passive will appear on amulets 1% of the time. However, it's split into both rank 1 and rank 2, meaning if you're hunting for rank 2, it will appear 0.5% of the time. Now, this calculation that you see here on screen, it says odds of hitting, which means that when you've re-rolled about 600 times, you have a 95.06% probability to get this passive at rank 2. Now, those odds are not great. It takes about one entire day of doing whispers to get 1 billion gold, which means to get exploit on your amulet, you're doing whispers for 3 entire days. This information is essentially just to help you guys understand how frequently options are going to appear on the amulet. I understand that for most of you it might be disheartening to see these values, but it's probably better to know than to keep re-rolling and being upset that something doesn't happen as frequently as it should be. So use this information as you will. I know for a fact that I'm probably not gonna worry too much about passives right now because I will probably end up doing a lot more whispers than I would like to. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching, everyone.